It's oh shit! Alright, it's explorers get Pokemon cards on bikes. Oh man. What happened? Oh shit, if only they had sidewalks, that would be pretty great. How the fuck do we get Tardy again? Oh fuck, we got across the street.
Forget the Pokemon cards like this.
What? Just they're coming up on fraps every day. Alright, which one are we getting? Where's that $20 one? Oh, that's 14. That's 15. $20. Here we go. Holy shit. Alright. Gengar X box. How much packs does this come with? 4 booster packs. What the hell is that? Oh, dude. Alright. We get these. They come with 4 boxes.
Alright.
I mean, 4 packs each.
Alright. So that what we're doing then?
So what are we doing? Individual ones?
Are you sure this is gonna be what's it called? $20? This does not look like something that would be $20.
That was the one that I saw online.
Yeah?
That same exact one. It was, well, I mean, the one I saw was like a different Pokemon, but it was like the same style and everything.
Let's go take it to the scanner. Where's the damn scanner?
Wait, I'm not should I get the Snorlax one or?
When you were a kid, I don't remember those things being $20. More like $30. Let's go check. Is there self-register?
Self-register.
Oh, they're all closed.
Whoops. Alright.
So we're gonna do some Pokemon unboxing right now, you know?
So, oh shit, I already ripped mine. Oh, whatever. I got the fucking Ash Ginger Frog guy, and you got the legendary OG Snorlax.
Mint condition. You know, it's gonna be new if you wanna buy it.
Oh yeah, we're also selling the cards if you're interested. And I guess we're gonna start off with trading the packs first, and then opening them up and seeing who has the better cards. Oh yeah, that is a pretty good card.
So humongous.
Oh, what's your name? Humongous.
Humongous one. Humongous. Alright. Ooh,
Okay.
this.
That's pretty dope. Look at that. That's a big ass card. I would have kept this.
Let's see.
Yeah, that's pretty badass.
That is pretty cool. Look, it even tells you everything.
It's like,
Promo.
can you play this in battle?
Be like, I choose you.
Okay, everyone has these regular size cards. Oh, what's this? Oh, codes.
Don't show those out yet. You can give those away to the people that play online.
Use this code to unlock reward. Oh, well. We got codes. If you're looking for codes, just hit us up and we might send them. If you have something to send us. Alright. So, let's put those aside.
Let's take these
So,
out.
we have
Got a code too.
I have one breakpoint pack, breakthrough pack, a second breakpoint pack, and a breakthrough pack.
I have one breakthrough pack, 2 XY evolution packs, and the last one is Fates Collide. Pretty cool.
So do you want to trade anyone? I'm telling you right now, I'm not trading my breakpoint. I will
want
trade one breakpoint.
Well, I only have one. I'll trade you one evolution one.
Yeah, I'll trade you that one. Alright,
I want this one.
okay. Nah, dog, you
Why not?
I'll
I have
trade
that
you-
one. Come on, let's switch it up.
I'll trade you the golden
Let's switch it
fucking
up.
fox.
Come on, let's just switch it up. Come on.
I am not. I want that badass fucking Charmander.
Okay, I'll give you this one then.
I don't want badass Raichu.
Oh no, come on, let's do it. I'll give you one of these for one of these.
This is a breakpoint. Oh shit. Oh yeah, you know here,
Okay.
yeah, you can trade.
Thank you, sir. There you go.
Fucking.
Make sure you're not giving me just an empty plastic.
Any more packs you want to trade?
I think I'm good. I have one of each now.
Alright, well let me get this shit. Alright. What should we open up? Or should we shuffle around them? Okay, that's how Max Mofo, the way he did it was he put it inside of his sleeve and that's how he did it.
Alright.
This one came out.
Oh, there you go. I'll use this one first, the breakpoint.
Fucking.
Alright, let's go. Wait, do I show?
I mean, you already showed them.
But
I
which
mean,
side do I like? Oh, did I just look at the rear already?
I hope not.
Oh no, look, this is the back. Okay.
Alright.
This is the front.
Well, I can't.
So again, the codes, if you want them, just ask. Put that right there.
Alright. More codes here. Now I'm gonna do this just so I could hide my rares.
1, 2. Okay, we'll put that right there.
Alright. So.
What? Dude, yours look like old school.
Did I already show yours?
What? Those are the rares right there.
But there's a second one. Where is it?
Oh, spoiler! Okay, I'm sorry.
Alright,
We screwed up on this one.
Okay. So how we're
So now
gonna
we
do
know.
this? Every last 2 cards, they're the rare cards, and depending on the quality of rare cards, whoever has a better rare card will win their pack, and then we'll move on to the next one, and then we'll see who has a winning count. So I want to start showing. You can start showing off yours. I got fucking Magnetite.
I got
Voltrub,
Esper,
Sandshrew,
Growlithe,
Poliwig, or Poliwag, whatever.
Pancham,
Niglet.
Niglet.
Oh, there we go. Fucking shiny. Fucking Vulprix. That should be nice.
P-Tail,
Yeah, that's really bad.
Scorpy.
Electrode.
Look, I got a shiny freaking item.
A shiny Max Elixir.
Yep.
And
That's right.
a trainer Charizard Spirit Link.
I got, my rare was a Garchomp, holographic, and a Nuzleaf. Boring.
Ooh.
Okay. Are you sure these are the rares? Are you sure these are the rares? Dude! Okay, this is boring. You guys don't want to see this. Just boring trading.
Wait, what the
super
fuck?
Cards. Dude, they're mixed up. That's weird.
How much cards did you get?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4,
These were in the back.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh,
That's
that's
weird.
good. I got. Oh wait, this is pretty dope.
What?
This is a. I think this is color sketch too. That's a drawing. Fucking
Yeah,
drawn
that's
Charmander or Charmeleon and gay ass energy.
best card I have so far, right there.
Fucking. You keep that shit, I guess.
No,
You
it's
win.
okay.
You win this battle. Fucking. Oh shit! I don't want this bitch. Trainer, delinquent. All right.
That's weird. Mine were like the fourth ones, like the last ones. But it's alright.
Or maybe they searched them and they looked at which was their rare first and then they put them away. But I mean, they're doing that like if they never seen it before. That's how I saw it. Alright. Next up, breakthrough.
I got evolutions XY. Or I'll save this one actually when Eric opens his. I'll do breakthrough as well. Alright,
take up the last two cards. More fucking codes.
Codes again. Right, are you sure it's the last two? I'm not sure it's the last two.
Hold on. Cause like I'm finding them in different spots.
Yeah, I got my holographics right here. I think it's the okay.
I think when they're black, that's their rare.
Well, I've already seen all of them now, but this is weird. For me, both times they were like these two,
like right there,
and like holographics. Okay, well let's just show.
Well, how about this? You put up your best one, and then we keep the best one inside, and we see who has the two of the best.
Okay.
So I want to look for mine.
So what I got was a Sandshrew. I have no idea how to say that name.
I got
Valid
fucking ice cream Pokemon. Felibe.
What the?
Well, I mean, it has an accent mark.
Felibe.
Did we get the same one?
Twins.
Oh, no.
How cute.
Alright, Zora. I got the
Fennekin.
baby version of the cover card. What is it? Norberion? Wyvern?
Starly. Swinub.
Ursaring? Ursaring?
Ursaring.
I don't fucking know. Oh, I got
Staravia.
Giovanni's Scheme. And I got Bridget.
Pinsir.
And I got Zora.
Whoa, that art looks pretty cool.
But this one's like, it's a different Zora.
That looks really cool.
It's got little kids in there. Alright, and then the top two cards.
And then my top two cards.
Alright, you show them first.
I got Inkay, and it has like little dark energy holographic.
I got fucking Skiddo.
Let me see.
What the? A drawn Skiddo.
Nice.
And then I got a shiny Ralts.
And I got somewhat holographic I have no idea. Vivian, I think that is how you say it.
What's the next one?
What do you have? Evolutions or what? What? How do you have? Oh, I was gonna say. There's one right there.
No, what the hell are the old ones?
Alright.
And I'm gonna say the breakthrough for last, or breakpoint last. I'm gonna open a second breakthrough one.
I'm gonna open my first XY evolutions. Okay, I'm just gonna take out, since I already know kind of where the rares are. I'm gonna put the second to last two.
Oh,
you got
oh
a
shit!
Again, a flab BB or whatever you say.
Shit.
No,
I'm fucking done. No fucking way. You know what we talked about when we were on the way here?
Yeah.
I'll show
I already
you.
know.
I'll already show you when. Here's codes.
Codes.
Hey, you want more
we
codes?
Have 4 of those for you already.
Oh my, dude, I'm done. I'm fucking done.
Give me my evolutions is gay. What the heck is this?
Alright, I want to keep these little puppies on the side.
You know what? I'm not even gonna tell you what these are because these are all trash. Show them what you got.
I got Scatterbug. I didn't know that was a Pokemon. Rufflet. Snover. Swablu. Wombat. Houndoom, Spirit Link. I actually like Houndoom's pretty badass Pokemon. Paloswine. And Braixen. What are your rares?
Hold on. I'll just show them real quick. I got this gay guy. This gay guy, this gay guy, this gay guy, and then all of these gay things. Nothing cool, you know.
Alright, so what me and Chris were talking about on the way here was talking about getting golden Pokemons that we thought were going to be a 1 in a million chance to get. And what would you know? I got a fucking gold one. And a holographic Giovanni Scheme Trainer card.
Boy!
That's pretty badass. That's fucking amazing.
And all I get is just Jack Crab freaking...
What are your rares? Oh, a shiny Diglett and a shiny Clear Free?
Clear Free. Yeah.
Color Free?
Stupid freaking
Boy.
XY.
Alright. Now, the best for last. Breakpoint with a shiny Gyarados on the top of it.
And this one is like messed up in the corner, so you already know it's gonna be bad.
Oh! Psych! You're a
Got him!
Oh.
Give me a high five, Napple. Paw.
Okay, that's lucky.
Alright, codes. Codes, of course.
I got somewhat decent.
Nothing
more
good.
codes here.
Nothing good, guys.
Alright.
Okay, so what I got was a Snivy.
I got Trevenant.
Fennekin again.
I got Electriv. I think I said that right. I got Bayleaf.
Solosis.
Fat Pussy, which is Pergly.
Whismer.
Petilly.
I can't even tell which one.
Oh, this is pretty badass. Look at that. It's a cartoon version. I mean, like, I got like a cartoon version of Scorpion.
Same, look at this.
Do we? Oh, yours looks realistic though. Like, oh no, yeah, they're like same style. Huh?
Yeah, they're like drawings.
We got like
Seal.
and I got Ocean Man, Take Me by the Hand. And what the hell? I didn't
My
know.
only shiny Deerling.
Yeah, I got Gibble.
Why do I have more? What the heck?
Oh, those are rares.
Tops.
Yeah, Kabutops in your that shiny.
Fairy Drop. Power Memory.
And my rares are Seeda, a drawn Seeda, and a shiny trainer Professor
And Weezing.
Sickrum. And that's it.
Alright. And then I have these two for you guys as well.
And also, yeah, we have.
This one's really cool. I like this one a lot.
And this shiny mint condition
Alright.
EXs and GXs cards. So, pretty dope.
Thanks for watching.